Hello everyone and welcome back with a new topic for today. Well, our today's tutorial is about grammar. It's about a grammar structure which is mostly and frequently used by the English speakers, and most of the students do commit mistake while using this grammatical structure. So the grammar structure is about wish. Now, we, being humans, we have a lot of desires, we have a lot of wishes, right? We do make wishes about certain things. Now, this grammatical structure is related to different tenses as well. For example, we have wish plus past tense, we have wish plus past perfect, and we have wish plus would. Now, wish plus past tense is used when we want a situation to be different. Now, in our real life, if you look around, right, so there are different things that we want changes about it. For example, if you're having a house, we wish to have a better house, right? If we have a job, we desire for a better job than the current job we have, right? Even we make wishes about places where we live. We make wishes about food we eat. Now, wish plus past tense structure is used when you want a situation to be different in present tense or in past tense. For example, I wish I were in America. Now, subject plus wish plus subject plus second form of verb plus the rest of the sentence. This is the structure of wish plus past tense, and we use this structure when we want certain things to be different, either in present or in future. Next one, I wish I had a big house. I wish I had a big house. Subject plus wish plus subject plus second form of verb and plus rest of the sentence. So this wish structure is related to the past tense, and we use this structure when we want certain things to be changed about our life. For example, let me give you another example. Now, my favorite game or my favorite sport is football, right? And I cannot play football. Now I make a wish. I wish I could play football. So subject plus wish plus subject plus second form of verb plus rest of the sentence. This is the structure through which we can describe our desires or wish, and this structure is specifically used when we want things to be different from now in our life. Well, moving ahead towards the second structure, which is wish plus past perfect. Now, wish plus past perfect. Past perfect structure is auxiliary verb had plus third form of verb. So we have subject plus wish plus subject plus auxiliary verb had and plus third form of verb and plus rest of the sentence is used when we want to describe or when we want to express our regrets. For example, it was the marriage ceremony of my best friend and I missed to go there, right? So I can say, I wish I had gone there. I wish I had gone there. It was FIFA World Cup final match, right? And I missed the final. Now I make a regret about it. I wish I had watched. I wish I had watched the football final game, right? Well, the last example with this structure is I wish I had studied better. I wish I had studied harder in school. Now, I cannot get admission at a better college because I have less marks, and I do have a regret about my school marks for which I did not study well, and now I have scored less in school. So I can say that I wish I had studied harder in school, right? So with this structure, which is wish plus past perfect, we describe our regrets. Well, the last structure, which is wish plus would and plus first form of verb. Now, wish plus would actually is used, and we can use it in order to talk about annoyance. Whenever we get annoyed with certain things, so we can use wish plus would in order to describe that something is annoying us. For example, we have our friends around us and then there are certain habits that they do, and what irritates or what annoys us, for example, one of my best friend, and he smokes. Now, that is something which is annoying me, and I make an example to describe that is annoying me, and that example is, I wish you would stop smoking. I tell my friend that I wish you would stop smoking. Now, subject plus wish plus subject plus would and plus first form of verb, right? This structure is actually used for something which is annoying you people. Well, another example, my brother is always playing cricket and he is wasting his time. Instead of studying, he goes to the ground and he plays cricket. Now, that is something which annoys me at current moment. So I make an example, or I describe that this thing is annoying me with this structure, which is wish plus would, and I tell my brother, I wish you would stop playing cricket all the time. I wish you would stop playing cricket. Subject plus wish plus subject plus would and plus first form of verb. Alright, so these were the three different grammatical structures, which was wish plus past tense, and wish plus past perfect, and wish plus would. And I have described the usages, the structures, and along with examples, so you must practice in order to avoid these grammatical errors. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you've liked the video. Stay blessed and stay happy.